Hello there. Hello there. It's like the didn't come out. But welcome to the vlog for the week. Today is Monday. And for my outfit for today, I'm going Halloween. So I have on this Halloween flannel. It's got a spider on the pocket. And then the back has a jack-o'-lantern, but I don't really know how I could show it to you because I can't put my phone back there, but it has a jack-o'-lantern on it and it says "Stay Spooky" on the bottom. So it's a shirt that's from Spirit Halloween that they get, like, I've seen it there well, it's there again this year. So and then earrings are jack-o'-lanterns, and I forgot to tell you guys, last week we watched Halloween Ends, and I liked it. It was one of those movies where I was glad that we watched it on the TV instead of spending the money that we would have spent at the movie theater, because I might have been a little disappointed at the theater, but I liked it. I thought it was good. This morning while I was getting ready, I was watching a couple of reviews for it, and sounds like people don't like it, but I did. So, but anyway, now I'm gonna get my coffee and all my morning stuff together and get headed out the door, and like always, hoping for a good day. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. I was just wanting to show you that there was a jack-o'-lantern on the back. And also, I forgot to tell you, it's only going to be in the 40s today and tomorrow. Hello there. Today is Tuesday. Today I'm wearing a Halloween shirt again, and it is fabulous. This is actually a new shirt. I got it when I went out shopping with my best friend Charlotte. Was that last Saturday? I think. It was either last Saturday or the Saturday before. I don't remember. But anyway, I really liked it because see how the sleeves is stars, and then the animal print, and then the gray, and then the witchy hat and the boo has the animal print. So I just really like that. And then my earrings are little iridescent ghosts. So, and then just jeans. So now I'm just gonna do my other morning stuff. Yesterday was just like a regular day. Went to work, came home, we went to the gym, came home, showered, had some dinner. Pretty simple dinner, just had a couple of boiled eggs and some cottage cheese, and then after that, like for a snack, I had some yogurt and an apple. So yeah, now I'm just gonna get all my stuff together, get headed out the door. Oh, and it's really cold, and this morning it's only in the 20s. We're supposed to have had a freeze last night, so that'll be good for Brian, who has allergies. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday, and for this week, today's the last day I'm going to drive down to the building because I'm going to be getting off work early tomorrow because we're going on our last lake trip for the year. So we're going to be leaving Thursday afternoon and coming home Sunday. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm just... Yesterday was an extremely frustrating day at work, and so I didn't sleep very good last night at all. So let me just show you. Today's Halloween shirt is it's just a plain, like, long sleeve shirt, but it has like those little pictures, and then the earrings are bats. And so anyway, just didn't have a good day at work. There's like some changes and things, and it was just frustrating. And so anyway, last night I woke up like 1:30 in the morning to use the restroom, and I don't know, I might have gotten maybe another half an hour of sleep, and I fell asleep around 10 because, so I woke up then and I just laid there and laid there and laid there. And Brian, he was having a hard time sleeping too. That happens to him a lot, and he'll just get up and he'll come in the living room and just chill out on the couch, and sometimes he'll fall back to sleep. Well, so like at 2:30, he came in the living room, and then at 3, I was still awake, and I just turned the TV on because I was like, it was my brain. I just kept thinking about work, thinking about it, and I was like, I need to find something to where my brain will focus on something else. You can hear the coffee pot, I think, maybe. But anyway, because it's usually when I'm talking to you, the coffee's done, but it's earlier. But, so Everybody Loves Raymond was on. So I was listening to that, and I listened to a whole show. This was at 3. So, and then at 3:30, another one came on, and I think I fell back to sleep, I think around 4, and then I get up at 5. So my alarm went off at 5. So I'm going to be dragging really bad today. So anyway, I always hope for a good day. Yesterday wasn't one of those. I'm not so sure today's going to be either. But I've got a lake trip coming up where we're just going to relax, and so I need it. Hey guys, so it's Wednesday after work. It's actually already 4:35. I get off work at 3. But it took me an hour and 15 minutes to get home from work because there was 2 accidents. It was another really kind of shitty day at work, and I hit a bird on my way home too. Not on purpose. It was a pigeon, and he was in the middle of the road, and you could tell he couldn't fly, and there was nothing I could do. It's like I can't slam on my brakes, and I couldn't get in the lanes on either side of me, and so I just tried to drive over top of him, but it's like he stood up, so I just heard it thump, and so I know, but it's like, I don't know what happened to him, because his wing was like, one of the wings was kind of hanging, because I kind of saw him in a distance. And I was like, because how sometimes birds get in the road, and by the time you get close to them, they fly away. He wasn't flying away, and the closer I got, I could see one of his wings was like hanging down. And so, I was having a pity party with myself about, it's been kind of crappy week at work. My birthday's Friday, and I'm thinking, can I have a nice week, during the week my birthday's in? And so I was commiserating with myself. And then I get home and find out Brian, he went to get his tires balanced. You know how when we went on our little vacation to the cottage, and he got a flat and replaced his tires? Well, when the truck goes up on higher speeds, he noticed that it felt kind of like the tires might not be completely balanced, which that can happen sometimes, after you get new tires. So he took it to the tire shop, and his truck fell off the lift. He's sitting there, and all of a sudden you just hear this loud bang, and he looks through the window, and his truck's kind of sideways, and luckily the running board caught it, so it didn't go completely over, but it destroyed the running board. And Mom, if you don't know what that is, that's the little metal piece that runs under the door, so you step on it, you have something to step on to get in to the truck. Not all trucks have them, but Brian's does. And then it the frame got not super bent, but it got bent enough where the paint is all chipping up really bad on the underside of where the door and stuff is. So of course the the place that he took the car, they're going to fix it, or they're going to pay to have it fixed. So he, right after that, and they got everything all righted up and everything, like upright, not like, anyway, upright. And so he went to the place that fixed my Jeep after I hit the deer and got an estimate. And so he's taken that, and then, so they're like, okay, and so then he's gonna, here's the funny thing, just, you know how like coincidences and synchronicities and everything. Last year, when we took the Jeep in to get it fixed, was November 28th. Because I don't know if you I don't expect you to remember. This is my life, you know. You can't remember. But it was it was the week of Halloween, actually, that I hit a deer. Actually, the deer committed suicide. He ran in front of my car. And I couldn't get it in to be fixed until November 28th. Well, this year on November 28th is the day Brian's truck goes in to the shop. It's just kind of crazy how things work out. But anyway, I decided he had a worse day than me, so. But yeah, I'm getting to the gym really late, and I have a lot to do when I get home. So yeah, and here comes my youngest son. He's already been here, and now he's going home, and I'm just now getting here. So anyway. Hey Django. Well, I'm all packed and ready to go. He's not going. Kitty, kitty. You're very handsome. So I still have about 30 minutes of work to go. I got all my stuff except I got my suitcase packed last night, and then today after I took my shower and stuff, I packed up my backpack because that's like what I've got: toiletries and chargers and, you know, all that like extra little thing or little stuff that doesn't fit in the suitcase, because I just got my small suitcase, but I have like sweatshirts and stuff packed. Also some t-shirts because the weather's gonna be all up and down. So anyway, probably in about 30 minutes or so, we're gonna get on the road, get headed to the lake. Today I'm wearing a Halloween shirt. This is the Sanderson sisters, Hocus Pocus. On the back says I've put you under my spell or something like that. And it's kind of a cropped one, so I have a tank top on underneath. And then earrings, I didn't do Halloween ones. I just have regular ones that I can just have every day. And I'm not gonna like try to dress for Halloween every day when we're down there. I do have one Halloween sweatshirt and one Halloween t-shirt. And actually the t-shirt I have, funny enough, is also a Hocus Pocus, but I wear it all year round. So I wear it to the gym a lot. So yeah, I'm just working on, I'm charging, I'm not charging my phone right now because I'm holding it, but I'm going to put it back on the charger, get that kind of stuff done, set my out of office, you know, all the little things. Another thing that's happening this weekend, my oldest has been planning on moving out for a while, and they have like roommates, so they have 2 roommates, and they're moving about 45 minutes away, so it's not too far away, but still, they've been like in the evenings, you know, taking over loads of their belongings, and we offered to help them, you know, like not this weekend but next weekend, you know, but they said they didn't want any help. So I'm trying not to be sad, but I'm telling you what, yesterday, because I want November, he'll be 27, so it's time. It's overtime. And they've actually moved out once before. They moved to another state but came back. So we've told him, you know, this needs to be, we can't keep going back and forth. And we want to have an office again. And so now we're going to have an office, but there'll be some cleanup, I'm sure, because my oldest is a slob. But anyway, walking out last night, I just got so sad. It just made me cry because this weekend while we're gone, they're going to be working on getting the rest of their stuff out. And they don't want their furniture, which we offered, you know, got a dresser and a bed and a nightstand, but so we'll do what we want with that stuff. We'll keep it still. But anyway, I need to finish up a few work things, and I'm so ready for some lake time. And it's the last lake trip of the year. But I'm both happy and sad. My oldest is moving out. Mostly happy because I'm happy for them to be able to move on and live their life as an adult without mom and dad still trying to boss them around at 27, so which they will be next month. So anyway, now he's back over there with Mr. Bones. He's always laying by him, so we put that there so he would have somewhere soft to lay. I don't know what he's going to do when we put Mr. Bones up at the end of the season. And I know I could probably put like a Santa hat and a scarf and dress Mr. Bones up for Christmas, but I don't want to. He's a Halloween guy. We're stopping here on the way because they'll be closed on Sunday when we come home. Look at their bones. Look at all the pumpkins too, Brian.
Look at how these are like double colored too. They're white.
They're so pretty.
Yeah, they are. They're beautiful. Look at how big some of the boards are.
So I got some apples and some no sugar added dark chocolate covered raisins. And then Brian he was like buying several things for like Frank and John and his buddies, because this place has the best peanut clusters, and he had taken them down one time for them to try it. Everybody was like raving, so he got like just an assortment of different things to take to the guys, and he got some peanut clusters and some cookies. So, and then he had to go to the restroom. So, oh, and we got some milk. We went ahead and got milk because Brian likes to have milk with his chocolate. So later, when he's having his peanut clusters, he'll have some milk. So we just really like this store. They have everything you could think of, you know, and they also serve like sandwiches and stuff. They have fruit and produce and all kinds of different bulk items. And the mums are just beautiful. And I cannot believe they're $20 for those gigantic mums. Or if you buy 3 or more, they're $15. They're amazing. It makes me wish we would have brought the truck. I would have bought a couple to take home. They're really, really pretty. But their prices are like that really good in the summer too. Like the spring when all the spring flowers and everything come out. So they're just really pretty. It's really getting me feeling like fall, you know. So we've got maybe a half an hour to go. This place is pretty close. It's in Tipton, Missouri. We've stopped here before in Tipton. It's also where that candle shop is that we like. We're not stopping there this time though. Don't need any candles. So, but anyway, we stopped on the way because today's Thursday and they're closed on Sundays, and Sundays when we're coming home. So we wanted to go ahead and stop so we could get the stuff we wanted to get. Okay, we just got here, so you're gonna see this same time we're seeing it. So that was the door, and then here's the kitchen. This is a cute kitchen. Coffee pot. What's like utility closet? It says there's a fire extinguisher in there. Yep, just like a washer and dryer. Those are my sunglasses. Just the table, the little dining room. Oh, that's so cool. It's the Ozarks on there. A little side table. Here's the living room. Furniture looks comfortable. That toilet just started running.
Yeah, it's because I turned the water on.
Oh, okay. There's the balcony. We'll be going out there. Okay, so I'm gonna go look at the extra bedroom.
All right, sorry, babe. Let's turn on the water. You gotta turn on the water and the hot water
Here's,
circuit, and then turn the heat
this
on.
is
It's kinda chilly.
nice. Here's the extra bedroom.
Mm-hmm. Is that almost a king bed there? That is
Yeah,
a king
that's
bed.
a king.
That's pretty awesome for the second bedroom. Nice TV
Nice
in the corner.
TV.
Closet.
I mean,
Good old the classic 80s furniture.
Yeah, unfortunately the view is a parking lot, but
That's the second.
I know.
That's
That's
where you
not
put.
where we're gonna
yeah,
be.
that's not where we're at. that's
I
where the guests
know.
gotta be.
So here's one of the bathrooms. I like the fish. Then this
Couple
is.
boats coming by.
It is cold in here. You're right.
60. It was chilly.
Here's the master bedroom. This is nice,
This is
babe.
really nice. I love the furniture in here. The furniture in here is really not bad. This
No, I
is
like
actually.
this.
You look at this. This is more up to date.
You got a lake view.
Oh yeah, this is beautiful. You wake up and go to sleep. Look
I always,
at that,
the
man.
hosts that do that, like the extra outlets like that, I always appreciate them
Mhm.
because they're really thinking about.
But this is what you're paying for, man. You're paying for this, the master with this view, man. That's insane.
Here's the TV.
Look at that. That's crazy. There's your deck right out there.
I
You can look
know.
out there.
I'll look at that again here in a minute.
Oh, I haven't looked in this bathroom yet. Oh, look at they got that thing up on the top of that porch.
I like your sunglasses.
That ain't bad. Go ahead.
That's a nice size.
It's all right.
It's the bathroom.
Money bright.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't had no problem with
Yeah.
light.
There's a lot of bulbs.
Yeah, I like this. This ain't bad. That's a cute little grill. Oh my God, that thing's adorable.
Look at the sign. Welcome to our lake house.
Mm-hmm.
This is what we're here for. This view of the lake.
Yeah, it's awesome. I love
And now we got to go get all our suitcases and stuff.
it. Well, you can get them for me.
Turn the light on so the view is a little better, but it's colder in here than it is out on the deck.
I'm in my happy place now.
So I wanted to bring you guys so you could hear the sound of the water. it's Friday and it's my birthday, and Brian and I have been, this is my present. I did get a card this morning too, but we were sitting out on the I don't know, the deck. I don't know why I can't think, but we watched the sun come up. We're having coffee. We're gonna make some breakfast in a little bit. We're gonna go walking on a trail. The weather's gonna be really nice this weekend, so it's just, I just love it here so much. But I'm 52, so yeah, this would be a great birthday. We were just sitting in those two chairs, and it was dark, and we watched the sunrise. Getting ready to get on the trail. So this is the top of the Rocky Top Trail, and I think you could probably see why they call it Rocky Top, because of all those rocks. And then you end up going down into the woods. Okay, we're leaving Rocky Top, all the open area. And now we're going on to the wooded trail.
Fun. You know, here's the deal. Even if nobody else likes it, it will always happen forever.
Guys, so it's like we're home now. It's the sun set, or not home. We're at the condo, like we're at Lake Home. And so after we went on our hike, we got so hot. It got up to like 80 today. But we went on our hike, which was wonderful. Then we found this little place called Blair's Landing that had like these little antique shops and just like some little stores, and like one of the little antique shops had new stuff too. And Brian saw, like, he was just letting me pick like things I wanted for my birthday. So I'll show you what I got. But it was just really nice, and we found like this, like an antique place that also had new stuff too, which I got a hat and gloves from for, winter's coming. And like this place that had vintage jewelry and vintage clothes and stuff, also some new jewelry and things. And so I got like a ring there, and a t-shirt from a place that was just a really adorable t-shirt. So, and then after we got done just walking around, we went in a lot of shops, but we didn't buy stuff. Brian did find something for his mom for Christmas, so he got something for her. And then we went and had Chinese food. And so Brian just he went to get me some black cherry lemonade. And then we're gonna I might pop some popcorn, because I bought some more of that Cousin Willie's that I showed you guys that we can only find around here. They don't have by us. And they make the best kettle corn, but they also make a cinnamon toast popcorn that's really good that I got here once. And so I might pop some popcorn, and then we're gonna watch a scary movie. So it's gonna be really nice. I've had such an awesome day for my birthday. But let me show you what I got. Okay, here's my hat. It is super, super bright. It's like this I love this basket weave. And this was only $10.99, which I thought was really an awesome price for this hat. I hope it's coming out okay. There, that's like a better. So this hat, and then the matching gloves. These were only $8.99, which I know you can get cheaper gloves like at Walmart, but these are just they're really like super soft, and I love the button details, and I just really, really love that. And this t-shirt was only $10, which this is so me. I love this so much. It's so adorable. This sweet little bee. And then we got some wax melts. These smelled so good. Brian loved these too. And then here's the ring I got. She put it in this little jack-o'-lantern bag in the little box, but I forgot what she said these stones were. They're pink, and then there's like these other little, and it's sterling silver. I just thought it was so pretty. Just really, really liked it. So, Mom, this is what I got with the money that you sent me, plus the money Brian gave me for my birthday. But this is what I got. So that's my little birthday presents. Oh, I forgot to say this was $55, which I didn't think was bad at all, because I really love it. My two favorite colors are purple and pink. So this is like perfect. It is Saturday morning, and I'm sitting here with my coffee and my book, just enjoying the early morning. guys. So it's a little bit later in the morning on Saturday, and they're actually roofing this building, so they started pretty early. So, you know, you can hear them like hammering and all that. So we weren't planning on staying in all day anyway, but so it's not changing our plans any, but it's cutting into the piece just a little bit. Not too bad, because you can't hear it that bad on the deck. So we're sitting out on the deck. And, but we're planning on going on another hike today. Not Rocky Top, the one we were on. That's like a kind of a harder level. It kicks your butt. But man, you feel good when you're done. So today we're going to do one that's not to that level, and but it's still at the state park, but it's one we've never done before. So we're going to hike again today, and then I don't know what we're going to do after that. And then we're going to be more gentle to our bodies today when it comes to what we eat, because like yesterday we had Chinese for dinner, and then Brian, more so than me, did a little bit more like eating of the snacks and stuff last night. I ate some yogurt covered pretzels, but I still way over ate for what I'm used to more recently with the Chinese. But oh my god, it was so good. They had this, it was called black pepper chicken. It was so good. And of course I also had 4 crab rangoons, I had an egg roll, I had a couple dumplings, I had like little amounts of all kinds of different entrees. And so yeah, we overate yesterday, so we're gonna be better to ourselves today. But I just had a really good birthday yesterday, which I told you guys already. So oh, and we're also gonna, I think today Brian wants to go to that Macadoodles, which is like it's a huge like liquor store, because him and the guys like tequila. I'm not into like hard liquors and stuff like that, and I actually haven't been drinking much at all for months now. But they have this Cabo, I don't know, that he really likes, and they have it down here, and you can't get it by us. So Frank gave him some money to get some extra, so he wants to go there and maybe get some of that. Depends on how much they want for it. We priced it already at Deerberg's, so but yeah, I'll let you know what else we get up to. But it's gonna be another hike today. It's gonna be another absolutely beautiful day, so happy about that. We couldn't have asked for better weather, honestly. Trail we're doing today.
And we'll do it all the way down and then back, obviously, so that times 2. It's gonna be pretty.
Yeah, look at that.
Leaves are falling.
This one, what's nice about it is you see the water, from my understanding, the whole time.
Look at this coat. The water's real low.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. Look at all the driftwood.
Like where all the brush washes up.
The driftwood. Wow.
A little wooden bridge. The marina is just right over here where you park to get on the trail.
That's the marina, the main marina down here at the state park.
And get beyond the crunchy leaves.
Oh man.
that hike was a really good one. And so now Brian, there's a place down here called Randy's. And it's like been in the Ozarks for a very, very long time. It's not the same as Andy's. It's like a local place. And he went over to get a chocolate malt because he's feeling like having a malt. And I'm going to hopefully get a Happy Meal. That's what I'm going to have for dinner. Because Brian is going to have Culver's. But I'd like to get one of the Halloween buckets. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. I don't know. We'll see. So I think on the way back, we stopped at Dearborn. Actually, we stopped at two places. We stopped at Macadoodle's, which is the liquor store, which was ridiculously expensive for that Cabo tequila that he's looking for. And so, but Dearborn's had it, and it was the cheapest there that we can find. So he went ahead and bought 6 bottles there. I still can't believe 6 bottles of tequila. That's crazy. But the guys gave him some money to get it, and then it was like almost $10 cheaper a bottle there. Dearborn's is a grocery store. And so he's getting his malt, and then he's going to come out here. But I didn't want to walk over there because I don't want to be tempted. Because they have this thing called an Ozark turtle, which is like chocolate ice cream with pecans and caramel and chocolate. I don't need to be tempted by that. So I'm staying over here in the car. And so, yeah, then we're going to do that. Then we're going to, get our food. And then we had talked about going to play mini golf, but we decided we're not going to do that because it is so windy. We're under a wind advisory. Still beautiful, though. And the wind was nice on the trail because it kept us from getting hot. And so we're just going to go back to the condo and chill out and just enjoy the rest of today. So we go home tomorrow. But, I'm loving it here at the lake. Just so much. I got the jack-o'-lantern bucket. I got a cheeseburger Happy Meal. That's what I have for dinner. It's Sunday morning, it's our last morning, and I keep seeing a bunch of fishermen because they're just doing a tournament, so I keep seeing all the fishing boats.